The self-satisfied sages, they worship Krishna with a mood of oneness, aikya. The Vrishnis, Pandavas and others, they worship in a mood of friendship. You've heard of the Pandavas and Arjuna. What is it? Saketi. He said, Krishna, I thought of you as my friend. Oh, Krishna Saketi. But I see that you're God. Your Virata Rupa is being shown here. All your power and grandeur and pomp and omnipotency and omnipresence before me. Oh, my dear friend, Saketi, my Saka. Because his relationship, Arjuna, Pandava Arjuna, is one of friendship. There's something like equals. And there's some family relationship also. So then the Pandavas, they worship Krishna in a mood of friendship. And Vishnu tells, in whichever mood they worship Krishna, they realize the respective eternal pastimes, tanmayatam.